Аха. Дагы бир жолу баарыңыздарга салам. Бүгүн биз тамак жөнүндө сүйлөшөбүз. Болгондо да дүйнө жүзүндөгү тамак аштар жөнүндө сүйлөшөбүз. Андан сырткары снэк деген дагы бир сөз бар. Ал мындай баарыбызга эле белгилүү сөз болсо керек, бирок бир сыйра снэк деген эмне экенин талкуулап өтөлү. So, what do you think? What is snack? Snack деген эмне экен? Закуска деп коет, бизде баягындай перекус деп коет, перекус дегенде мондай шашып кетип атып, печеньени жеп коебуз, чипсы жеп коебуз, ошол тамактарды биз снэк деп койсок болот. Okay, so let's start the lesson then. I've got here the first question. And let's do some warm-up. Try to answer to this question. Суроону окуп кетебиз. Let's read the question and let's try to answer to this question. Who wants to read?
Can I read?
Yes, please.
What is your favorite food or snack from another country? Why do you like it? Can I answer?
Let's think about it and answer.
Okay, my favorite food or snack from another country is bread with garlic and pretzel and currywurst, sausage, curry sausage. It's and rösti. It's national food from Switzerland. And one food I forgot name this name. It's with cheese.
You may say the ingredient.
Yes,
cheese. What else?
Yes, with cheese soup.
Okay. It is soup where you can find some cheese
with
and
cheese, yes.
other stuff, yeah.
And a little bit schnapps.
Is it drink or food?
Yes. Alcohol, little. Wine. Yes.
Wow. Okay. Now we know everything
soup.
you like.
Yes. And another broth with garlic is my favorite food snack. It's good when you're on the streets. You can eat this bread.
Like a snack.
Yes.
Okay. Is the bread fried or baked?
Fried.
Курулганбы же духовкада бышалганбы? Нан.
Yes.
Чеснок менен нан деп атпайсызбы ошол?
Духовка in.
It is baked, yeah?
Baked
with garlic.
With garlic.
I can even smell it.
Yes, it's very good.
Okay. Nice. You've got many or different types of favorite food or snacks, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice. Good job. Thank you for your answer. Who also wants to share with his favorite food or snack from another country? Башка мамлекеттен жакшы көргөн тамагы же болбосо мондай перекус кыла турган нерсеси. Who else? Ким бөлүшөт экен биз менен? As for me, I like baklava.
Hello.
Yes, please.
My favorite food is spaghetti.
Italian.
Italian food. Yeah. Last time I ate when my sister prepared me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and this food was very tasty. Food I have ever eaten. Eaten, yeah.
I have ever eaten, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
So you like pasta?
Yeah, I like pasta and Italian kitchen.
Kitchen or cuisine, yeah? We can say kitchen or
Cuisine,
cuisine.
And also Mexican foods.
Oh, yes. Spicy.
Spicy and taco.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Do you know the ingredients of taco?
Ingredient rice and same our shawarma or
okay, yeah, it looks like
and meat and
you may also choose different types of taco, yeah? As shawarma. Good. That's it, or you've got some other favorite food?
Other favorite from and I eat Russian chicken.
Okay.
Eat every day cooking soup or
or something for the second course. Экинчи тамак, eh?
Yeah, or second meal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Thank you very much, Big Sultan, for sharing your favorite food. Yeah. And one more person who wishes to answer to these questions. Дагы бир адамды угуп кетели. Please tell us about your favorite food or snack from another country. Ким бөлүшкүсү келип атат? Дагы бир адам.
I like fries.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. We are fine. What about you?
My favorite food is pizza. It's my favorite food.
Also
pizza
Italian
because Hi. Because it tastes and smells fabulous.
Oh yeah.
And the pizza itself looks so yummy and cheesy.
Oh, which one is your favorite pizza? As for me, I like chili. I like pizza chili. What about you?
Neler var le?
Margarita, pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Okay, pepperoni, yeah. Nice. One of the most popular pizza, I guess, is pepperoni, margarita, yeah, and the others all over the world. Дүйнө жүзү боюнча эң мондай популярный болсо керек ошол pizza. Okay, nice. So, after this question, I would like to give you some new vocabulary. Жаңы сөздөргө өтөлү. Here we've got some new words. I hope that they are new for you. Let's read one by one, yeah? Each of you, please read the words and read the definition. Сөздүн котормосун бербей атам, бирок сөздүн түшүндүрмөсүн берейин, ошондо түшүнгөнү аракет кылабыз англис тилинде. Бирден окуп кетебиз. Who will start? Hey dear, don't be shy.
Cuisine, the style. cuisine, the style of cooking from a particular country origin.
So, how do you understand this word, Nurjan?
Sorry, can you repeat?
How do you understand this word? Бул сөздү кантип түшүнүп атабыз биз ошондо? Cuisine.
Every country, every region has their own cuisine.
Yes,
traditional cuisine.
Yes, you're right. And can you give the example in order to others understand this word?
Okay. For example, Chinese cuisine is much spicy foods.
Okay. Is the most spicy
foods
cuisine, yeah? You think?
Yeah, cuisine. Yeah.
Nice, good job. Okay, the next word.
In our cuisine is more beef. Yes.
Okay, it has more meat, yeah. Nice. Okay, thank you, Nurjan. Who's the next? The next word, please. Kuli?
Hello. Appetizer, a small dish served before the main meal to stimulate your appetite. It's like starter, yeah? Starter dish.
Yes, you're right. It is like starter. Can you give the example of the appetizer? Like what?
It can be small bread with salad or small dish before main course.
Oh, yes. Yes, you're right, Kuli. Thank you very much. Who's the next one?
May I?
Yes, of course.
Savory. Food that is salty or spicy rather than sweet.
Oh, wait a second. Can you read the word? Spicy too. We missed it.
Spicy. Spicy food that has a strong hot flavor.
Spicy is?
Food that has a strong hot flavor.
Yes. Can you give the example of what food can be spicy?
Spicy, maybe Korean foods.
Okay, yes. Why not? Good job. And read the second word too.
Savory. Savory food that is salty or spicy rather than sweet. It's also spicy and salty food, not sweet.
Okay.
Maybe ashlam food.
Ashlam food. Okay. Yes, ashlam food can be savory. Can you say, is there a difference between spicy and savory?
Spicy and what?
And savory. What is the difference? Ошонун разницасын берип өтөлү.
Spicy деген бул эме ачуу тамактарда, spicy.
Yes. Savory.
Salty.
Salty деген salty деген бул туздуу тамактар,
Бираз туздуу жана.
Бираз туздуу жана ачуу тамактар, острый, spicy and salty.
Ошондо разницасы болот бул эки сөздүн?
Ооба, ачуу деген это острый, да. Salty это соленый.
Бираз соленый, анан кийин орусча, бизде кыргызча ошол сөзгө котормосу барбы жокпу билбейм, бирок орусча бул сөздүн котормосу пикантный болуп калат да. Ошондо Азиядагы тамактар, Корея, Таиланд, Китай, ошол тамактар savory көбүнчө болот экен. Неге дегенде алар бакындай бираз кислыраак, бираз туздуураак болот экен да, ошого ошолор savory деп коет экен. Nice, thank you very much. Let's continue.
Can I?
Yeah.
Street food. Food that is sold by vendors on the street, often in small amounts and at low price.
Okay, so give the example of street food, please.
For example, cake.
Okay, we can buy some cake. What else?
Fast food.
Fast food is the street food, yeah?
Okay.
Майда манты. Okay, yes, there is also street food. What else? Burgers, hot dogs. What else?
Milkshake.
Yes, why not? Milkshake. So we've got lots of different types of street food, yeah? Good job. What is the next word?
Саламатсыздарбы, бул жерде эмне сүйлөшүү болуп жатат?
Биз бүгүн тамак жөнүндө сүйлөшүп жатабыз. Бул англис тилиндеги токиң клаб, сүйлөшүү клуб. Бүгүнкү күндүн темасы дүйнө жүзүндөгү тамак аш. Биздин талкууга сиздер да кошулсаңыз болот. Окуп кетиңиз да, Багдад.
Кайсы жагын?
No, flavor деген сөзгө келип калдык. Ушул сөздү окуңуз, андан кийин биз ушул сөздү талкуулайбыз.
Кайсыга?
Экраныңыз көрүнүп атабы сиздерми огул? Flavor деп турат, мен сизге.
Vocab time дегенби?
Жок. Vocab time'дан кийин, ошодон кийин сөздөр кетип атат го. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-чы сөздү окуйт экенсиз анда, Багдад.
Street food бу.
Андан кийинкиси.
Flower.
Flavor. Булар эмне экен?
Flower, the taste of food or drink.
The taste of food or drink. So what does it mean? Бул сөз эмне экен ошондо? Flavor деген. The taste of food.
Food of drink.
Ошондо flavor деген сөз кантип түшүнүп атасыз?
Flower. Так, the taste of food of drink.
Taste. When you try the food, you can feel the flavor.
Мен негизи англис тилинен өтө деле жакшы деңгээлде эмесмин. Болгону сиздердин ошо окутуулду көрүп турам да.
Токиң клабга катышып, сөздөрдү байытып, англис тилинде акырын сүйлөшсөңүз болот, Багдад. Эч тартынбаңыз, кошула бериңиз. Flavor. So, who can explain?
Food, just a little. The
Даамын татуу, Flavor, бул бир тамактынбы же болбосо бир ичимдиктин даамы,
Өчүрөсүңөр.
Flower деген ошондо кандай болуп калды же?
Flower эмес, flavor. Flavor деген тамактын даамы,
May I ask? Sorry,
Yes,
may I
please.
ask? How can I turn on the sound? Билбейтам каягынан өчүрүп. Мындай сүйлөбөй турганда шумна болбош үчүн өчүрүп коебуз го. Камеранын жанынан каяктан басып өчүрөт?
Микрофон ортосунда турат. Жашыл болуп.
Ушуну басып кой.
Азыр эми өчүрүп койдуңуз. Кайрадан сүйлөйүн дегенде кайрадан ошо ортосун бассаңыз, микрофону кайрадан иштеп кетет.
Yeah, you can push medium in screen.
Thank you.
Okay. The next word, keyinki söz.
Ingredient.
Nice.
One of the foods or substances that are combined to make a particular dish.
Good job.
When we make a dish, we add other ingredients. Yes?
Yes, you're right. Okay. Can you name ingredients for plov?
Ingredients of plov, it's onion, meat, carrot, pepper,
Okay.
and rice, of course.
Of course, definitely, yeah. Yes, thank you. And the last word, eng алгачкы сөз.
Portion.
The last word is
Portion is the amount of food served to one person.
Okay, so how do you understand the word? And can you give the example?
Порция болгондо piece of cake деп койсок болот.
Yes, you're right. Okay, Larissa, thank you very much. So I hope that all these words were understandable for you. And now we are going to check them. Эми ушул сөздөрдү биз карап чыгыңыздар. Азыр биз ушул сөздөр менен өзүбүздү да бир текшерип өтөлү. Okay, look at these sentences, please. And try to find the correct words to each sentence. Okay? Let's start. Read the sentence first, and then try to give the word from the previous list, which will be in this sentence.
Can I?
Okay. Who's ready?
Cuisine is spring rolls from Vietnam. Food is spring rolls from Vietnam. Or
My
cuisine.
favorite. Are you sure that there have to be the word cuisine?
Yeah.
What
Cuisine
about
is
others?
spring
Каалагандарыбыз?
rolls from Vietnam.
May I?
Yes, please try.
Mexican food is often very spicy.
Very spicy
Wait a second,
because we use
One
a
second,
lot
please.
of chili peppers.
1 second. Let's decide the first sentence first. Биринчи сүйлөмдү дагы бир жолу карап чыгалы. Ушул жерде cuisine деген сөз туура келет экен.
I think it will be street food. My first street food is spring rolls from Vietnam.
I think that, the word street food will be more appropriate in here. Yeah?
Yes.
The next one. Экинчи сүйлөм.
Mexican food is often very spicy because they use a lot of chili peppers.
Yes,
Они
you're right.
используют много чилилерди колдонгондугу үчүн алар ошону ачуу дедик да, spicy.
Yes, you're right. You are right. Good job. The next one. Who's ready?
Cuisine.
Can you read the sentence, please?
When I visited Japan, I enjoyed the local cuisine sushi.
Cuisine sushi?
Yeah.
Так. Мен Японияга барганда, так, аяктын местный жительдеринин
Местной кухни суши.
Savory.
Do you think savory? Actually, the word cuisine is more appropriate in here, yeah? I enjoyed the local cuisine, you may say, or the local food will be also appropriate in here too. Yeah? Okay. The next one, the sentence number 4, the dish.
This dish has an interesting sweet and salty, savory.
Savory.
Try
to give another.
Savory.
Flavor, yeah.
Flavor.
Flavor. Yeah. Look, you remember this word? This one, flavor, the taste of food.
Yes.
So this one. Savory деген эмес, no, flavor деген сөз коюп атасыз, ошондой эмесчи?
Эжеке бул англис тилинде да диалекти болобу я?
Кандай дейсиздер?
Диалекти болобу?
Ооба. Болот. Ошол диалектер боюнча же башка мындай англис тил бөлүнөт го, ошолор жөнүндө видео тартылган бизде акыркы бөлүктө, ошол YouTube'дагы сабактардан карап көрсөңүздөр болот диалектер боюнча. And the last one.
Can I?
Yes, please.
A small portion of chocolate cake is enough for me.
Yes, you are right. A small portion of chocolate cake is enough for me. And after the words, I would like to give you some questions. Yeah. Think about the question. Try to give me your own idea, your own answer, please. The first question, who wants to read and immediately give the answer? Birinci soru. Tamak жөнүндө сүйлөшүп жатабыз. Дүйнө жүзүндөгү тамак аш жөнүндө.
Who's next?
Who wants to read? Окуй бериңиздер. Бул жерде бар.
What is the most exotic food you've ever tasted? Силер экзотик тамак жеп көрдүңөр беле дейт,
Сиз жеген тамактардан эң экзотический тамак кайсы болчу? Okay.
AI?
Yes, please.
I tried yogurt with papaya. It was tasted and I love it.
Okay. Wonderful.
Did you try the papaya?
Papaya I have never tried.
With small black seeds. It is like it tasted like between corn. How do you say corn in English?
Like melon.
Melon. It's like melon, but it's not melon. I tasted also peaches. A lot of fruits I tasted in one papaya.
Okay, so when you try papaya, you can find different types of fruit there, yeah?
Yes, it was really delicious, tasted, and I like it. It wasn't sweety, it wasn't sour. It was I didn't taste before. It was exotic for me.
Okay, thank you for sharing with your experience, Guli. Thank you very much. The next question, экинчи суроону окуйбуз.
Are there any foods from other countries that you would like to try? Why? I was born in Kyrgyzstan and I am Kyrgyz. That's why I like more Kyrgyz dishes. Because we always eat Kyrgyz food, but our teenagers, maybe they like Korean or Japanese foods. But улуу мундакылар кандай болуп калат? Older people like Kyrgyz food. I think so.
Traditional Kyrgyz food they like with meat.
Traditional Kyrgyz food.
Okay, nice. What about others? Мүмкүн башкалар башка бир тамакты даамдап көргүсү келет. Yes, please, I think.
It was delicious, maybe, but I want to eat chocolate from Dubai.
Which is very popular right now, yeah?
Yeah, it's so popular now.
So who has tried it? Мүмкүн биздин арабызда ошол дубайский шоколадты даамдап көргөндөр бардыр.
It's very popular now, but I think it's simple chocolate, I think.
Yeah, maybe we have to try in order to understand, yeah? Who has tried? No one.
I want to try to buy this chocolate for mom.
Yeah.
Sorry, one question. Sorry.
Yes, please.
Teacher, what is the in Dubaiski chocolate, Dubaian chocolate, in the green grass. What is it? What is this? Что это?
I think that it is pistachio. Pistachio. Pistachio.
Ah, pistachio.
Yeah.
Oh, really? Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I think that we have to try it, all of us. Qancha 24 адам болуп атабызбы? We have to gather one day, бир күн чогулуп дубайский шоколадты даплап көрөт окшойбуз.
How much it does cost Dubaiski chocolate?
Who knows it? Who knows the answer?
I heard like 3,000.
Maybe
5,000 maybe.
Even 5,000. Oh my gosh. It's too expensive, yeah?
Yeah.
5,000, it's not expensive.
It's for you.
Как это сказать? Попробовать это.
Try it. Try it, yeah? So, the second question will finish on the Dubai chocolate, yeah? And the last question is, who wants to read?
In your opinion, which country has the best street food and why?
What do you think?
In French.
Well, first of all, in my opinion, I appreciate in Turkish street food because they are very tasty and very spicy. Who want to try? And
Okay.
of course, in Turkish ice cream, it is another famous, and maybe all people know this is Turkish cookies, which cook at the tasty steaks. Who is Nusret?
Yeah, I've heard about Nusret. Yeah, he has got the cafe. Yeah, the most popular cafe in Turkey.
Yeah. All right.
Yes. Okay, thank you. And one more person who wants to answer to the last question.
Can I?
Yes, please.
In my opinion, the most popular foods is have in South Korea. They have a lot of street food and dessert. Yeah. Клубника,
Strawberry
in sticklet. Strawberry sticklet. A lot of desserts.
Okay, you like the dessert, which has got strawberry in it. Yeah? Okay, good. Thank you very much, Narisa, for your answer. And now I've prepared here for you some interesting facts. Аябай кызыктуу бир факттарды даярдап койдум. Ошолорду бир өлкө жөнүндө факты бир адам окуйт дагы, андан кийин түшүнбөгөн бир нерселер болуп калса же болбосо кошумча сөздөр болуп калса, ошону талкуулайлы. Who wants to try?
Italy margherita pizza was made in 1889 to honor Queen Margherita of Savoy. The colors of the pizza, basil, mozzarella, and tomatoes represent the Italian flag: green, white, and red.
Thank you very much. So, who has tried pizza margherita?
I tried in Kyrgyzstan, but I think the original margarita pizza more tasty, I think.
Yeah, I also think so. It is more tasty, more delicious. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Good job. Who wants to read the next one? İkinci ötüz.
Japan sushi was original street food in Japan. It was a cooked and cheap meal that people called it like fast food today.
Okay, so sushi is... Ушуну эмне атат? Суши эмне тамак болчу экен?
Так, суши деген бул көчөдө сатылган тамак Японияда, э?
Жапондордун көчө тамагы болот экен. It was all болгондой cook and cheap. Арзан жана cook.
Тез даярдалуучу тамак.
Meal that people called it алар тез даярдалгандыктан алып көчөдө басып жүрүп жешкен экен. I like fast food today. Мен fast food'ду бүгүн жакшы көрөм дейт.
Like fast food. Азыркы күндөгү fast foodга окшош тамак болчу экен. Yes, you're right. Thank you very much. Okay, is it understandable? Sushi жөнүндө баарыбызга түшүнүктүү болду?
Yes.
Мексикан тамагын өтөбүз анда.
Guacamole.
Okay, read please. Guacamole. Who wants to read
Mexico. Guacamole, a famous Mexican dip, was first made by the Aztecs, who were the first to use avocados in their cooking.
Okay, so first made by Aztecler менен биринчи даярдалчу экен, э?
Yeah.
So, do you eat avocado? Do you like avocado?
I've never tried avocado before.
Okay. Who has tried it and who has...
I like avocado. I use avocado every day for salad, like for dip. Like dip I use for salad. It's very tasty and healthy for your tummy and healthy food.
Yes, I agree. I totally agree with you, Guli. It's very healthy food, yeah? Okay, nice. Who wants to read about India food?
India. India has more vegetarians than any other country in the world. Many people in India do not eat meat because of their religion and culture.
Okay.
Индияда көпчүлүгү вегетарианецтер экен. Than any other country in the world. Дүйнө жүзүндө башка өлкөлөргө караганда Индияда ушу вегетарианецтер көп. Алар эт жешпейт, анткени алардын культурасы жана религиясы ага жол бербейт дейт.
Sorry, one question.
Yes, please.
Not eating.
Can you repeat the question? I can't hear you.
In Japan, you get
Анча сурооңуз окулбай атат. Бир окулуп, бир окулбай атат.
Жакшы болуп атат.
Жок, окулбайт.
Мисалы, индиялыктар уйдун этин жешпейт, бирок тооктун, чымчыктын этин жешеби? Деген этти кой.
Индиялыктарбы же вегетарианецтерби?
Индиялыктар да уй этин жесе болбойт го, алар сыйынышат, типа.
Ооба.
Уйга макул, бирок башкаларды жейби же только уйларды жебейт, башкаларды эле жебейби?
Негизи вегетарианецтер ар түрдүү болот, э? Мындай тоок жеген вегетарианецтер болот, балык жеген вегетарианецтер болот, ошого индиялыктар деле ошондой болушу мүмкүн. Алардын көпчүлүгүн билбейт экенмин, бирок ошол мал этин жешпейт, кой этин жешпейт. Okay. Have we got among us people who are vegetarian? Vegetarians barba.
Yeah,
No.
but I am. Yeah, men 7 жыл vegetarians болуп анан таштап салдым деген кандай дейт?
So now you decide, now you decided to start eating meat. So how were your feelings when you decided to become vegetarian? Vegetarian болгону сонундай.
Мо шум кимдикинен чыгып атат?
Please.
Yes, please. Then can you answer to the question? Like the person who has been a vegetarian for 7 years, yeah? Tell me, please, what food you decided not to eat and what was the reason?
Everything food I'm not eating, and I eating seldom eating chicken and fish.
How you decided to become the vegetarian?
Because my meaning здоровье.
Because of the health.
Yeah.
Okay,
Exactly.
okay. Why not? Good job. I'm really surprised that among us there is the person or there are people who are vegetarians. That's also cool. Aldagay ve son bir oput da öyle. Azamatsız. Let's continue. Let's. Fransızca bizim okuduk.
Sorry. Okay. France now is cheese with more than 100 different types. Each region of France has its own special way of making cheese. Anglais.
Did you understand this fact? Düşünüklü olursun diye.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you tell me, please, do you like cheese?
Yeah, I like this. A lot of cheese. But
Okay, what type of cheese do you like?
cheese is
Which one?
Копченый.
Okay. Like kind of BBQ cheese, yeah?
Sorry. I like копченый cheese.
Okay. Копченый cheese is негизи
Smoked cheese. Not копченый, smoked cheese.
Smoked cheese. And I like hard cheese. And last year hard cheese. Старый. Мурунку атайын сактап коюп жатат го. Канча көп болса ошончо кымбат болот.
Do you know the name of the type of the cheese?
Type of the cheese? For what?
Ошол баягы сырдын атын билесизби?
I don't know. I don't have idea. No, I don't know.
Okay. Жана сыр с плесенью деп коет го, ошол болуп калабы же эмеспи?
Yeah, this is gallons cheese and verbs and letters. Yeah, last week's and 1 year's age.
Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, people call it also blue cheese. The
blue
most
cheese.
expensive cheese, yeah?
And great
blue.
cheese, yeah.
Good. Who wants to read about Turkey?
Turkey.
Can I read?
Yes, please.
Turkish dishes, but Turkish sweets are also popular. Baklava is a sweet dessert made of layers of pastry, honey, and nuts.
Okay. Have you got here the words which you don't know? Did you understand everything in here? Турция жөнүндө, Турциянын тамагы түшүнүктүү.
Ооба. Кебаб. Түркиянын кадимиз известный тамагы экен, белгилүү. But бирок Түркиядагы шириндиктерден баклава дагы өтө мындай популярдуу экен. But Turkish sweets are also popular. Түркиядагы ушу баклава. Баклава тестадан, камырдан, мына хани, балдан жана нуттан жасалат экен.
Nut, what is nut?
Жаңгак.
Нут.
Жаңгак.
Жаңгак, нут эмеспи?
Нут эмес, nut деген жаңгактар, жаңгактардын түрлөрү кошулат ал жака. So it is made of different.
Nut is, I think, chickpeas. Yeah?
In English, yeah.
Chickpeas nut.
Yes, you're right, Kuli. Thank you. So look, I think that all of you, you've tried baklava. Who likes baklava?
I like.
Okay.
Very tasty.
Who else?
Sweet.
Yeah, it is too sweet, yeah. Аябай ширине. Okay, let's continue. And the last two pairs, I guess, дагы эки мамлекет жөнүндө окуп өтөлүк, Таиланд жана South Korea.
May I?
Yes, please.
Thailand, street food in Thailand is very popular. One famous dish is pad thai, which is street fried noodles with shrimp, peanuts, and vegetables.
Nice. Okay, so can you translate just the ingredients?
Most of popular in Thailand is street food. It's called pad thai.
Yeah. What are the ingredients?
It is noodles, lapsha. I don't know what is shrimp.
Who knows what is shrimp?
Shrimp is морепродукты, да?
Морепродукты кандай түрү?
Orange.
Устрица белек?
Жок. Ким билет экен шримптен?
Мидия, да? Нет, мидия билет.
Мидия эмес, дагы.
Мидия устрица.
Дагы бир 5 секунд берейин, анан кийин айтам. Shrimp.
Креветки.
Кревет?
Конечно, креветки. Өзү негизи мондой розовыйраак сыяктуу болот, анан кийин куурганда кызарып чыгат, аябай жашынакай түстө болуп чыгат. Shrimp, okay, peanuts. What is peanut?
Горох.
Бизде жер жаңгак,
Жер жаңгак, vegetables, овощи. Жашылча.
Жашылча жемиштер болуп калат, vegetables. Good job. And the South Korea?
May I?
Korea, kimchi is a traditional Korean dish made of fermented cabbage and vegetables. Koreans believe it is very healthy because it has good bacteria.
Can you explain what does it mean, the word fermented?
They say thus with which South Korea's foods they are like our traditional dish. For example, kimchi. This is kimchi was cooked, made cooked with vegetables and fermented.
Yeah,
So,
it is made of
and Korean people believe it because I think so. One reason which Korean peoples look as me very young. This is reason.
Okay.
They are eat very healthy
Food.
Foods. Yeah, of course, vegetables and seafoods.
Yeah, I
Because
agree with
they
you.
also have bacteria and a lot of how can I say? A lot
Healthy
of
food.
healthy. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, maybe that is the reason why they look so young, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, nice, very good. So let's continue. I've got here also some questions, yeah, after the facts. The question number 1. Who wants to read and answer to the question number 1?
Which fact did you find the most interesting?
Which fact did you find most interesting, and which fact do you like?
I don't know.
You remember the facts about pizza, fact about kimchi. Which one do you like? Сізге қайсыл факт жақсы болған факттардан?
Kimchi.
You like the facts about kimchi. Good job. The next question. İkinci soru.
Typical food from your country.
Do you know any special food from your country? Special, özgöçö, yeah? What special food from our country do you know?
Bishparmak.
Bishparmak can be the special food. Okay, why not? What about others? Kalandarçı.
Olobo. Maybe olobo. It's also unusual food.
Can you repeat the name of the food, please?
Olobo. Olobo.
Olovo?
It's unusual food. It makes from lamb. Так, өпкөнүн өтөчү, lamb беле?
Yeah, lang. Lang, yeah?
Lang. And we prepare milk.
Butter, I guess, yeah? Butter, milk, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, now I know what is it. Yeah, it is very special food, I guess. Yes, you're right. Why not? What other special food do you know from Kyrgyzstan?
For example, sera, chuchul, and tashkurdak.
Yes.
Beef.
Bishparmak, drinks. How do you say drinks?
What are the special drinks?
I don't know the name, Kyrgyz name.
Maxim, maybe.
Yeah, Maxim, yeah. But I didn't try the Maxim.
Really? You haven't tried?
No. I heard
We have to
about
send
that.
it. We have to send it to you, Guli. Are you in Germany?
Yeah, now it's in Germany, yeah.
I think that we have to send Maxim
Send me
to Guli.
one cup of Maxim, please.
One bottle.
Okay. And the hummus, please.
Where's the best hummus in Kyrgyzstan? Who knows?
In the mountain.
In Atbashi. Okay. So, who wants to share with one bottle of hummus with Guli, who is in Germany?
Right now, where are you from?
Expensive delivery.
Okay, we have to find someone who is going to Germany and send one bottle of Maxim and one bottle of hummus to you. Okay.
Thank you.
The next question number 3.
Excuse me, may I ask?
Yes, please.
You're locating in which city in Germany?
Lautern. Near the Frankfurt, near the Ramstein.
Okay, thank you so much.
Nursada, are you also in Germany?
My тугандарым деген кандай болот?
Relatives.
Parents.
Relatives?
Yeah, relatives in Germany.
Oh, wow. You have to have some chat later.
Okay, thank you.
The next question. Ең суроону окулу.
Your voice chat is...
This question, who wants to read?
Have you tried any of these dishes? What was it like?
Have you tried any of that dishes? Фактылар эсиңизде барбы? Суши, пиццалар жөнүндө сүйлөштүк. Which food you have tried?
Бул эмне? Try.
Try деген дамдап көргөнсүз, жеп көргөнсүз.
Tasty, yeah? Yeah.
I tried this sushi.
You tried sushi. Do you like sushi?
No.
You don't like sushi. What about guacamole with avocado? Who has tried?
Sorry. Cookies.
Cookies, you've tried? Okay. No, about do you remember the texts about different food from all over all the world? Башка дүйнө жүзүндөгү тамактарды окуп өттүк го. Ошолордун арасынан кайсы тамактарды сиздер даамдап көргөнсүздөр?
Осьминог.
Okay.
I tried baklava.
Okay, baklava, you tried. Of course, all of you, I think that you've tried kebab, yeah? We have read about Turkish kebab. Nice. And the last question. Эң алгачкы суроону окуйлу.
Does your culture have any special dishes for holidays or celebrations?
So what special dishes we've got, Kyrgyz people has got, yeah? For holidays, celebrations, for some parties, birthdays.
This is similar.
Our national dish, bishparmak, of course. When we have a guest, of course, we gave them bishparmak at first. And we have a lot of other dishes, maybe kurdak, also our national.
First of all, cook it, of course, bursuk.
Bursuk, yes, bursuk, we cooked bursuk.
Sumuluk, yes, you're right. For Nowruz, yeah? What else?
Hummus, drinks,
Hummus, of course, yes.
Yarma.
Yes, yarma.
Yeah? Similar from Kyrgyzstan or Mongolia?
Actually, I don't think that sumuluk is from Kyrgyzstan, but it is also one of the special dishes which came from another country. Yeah?
Yes, Central Asia.
And Kyrgyzstan is one of the countries which follow the tradition.
I think this is sumuluk from its Normans nations. This is similar from our nomad nations.
Yeah. Yes, I agree with you. So, other food items or special dishes which you put on the table during the celebrations. Кандай башкача өзгөчө тамактарды столдун үстүнө коноктор келгенде Yes, mante. I like mante very much. Oh, I think that all of you are hungry after the lesson. Yeah? Бул биздин алгачкы сөздөр болчу. Дагы ушул темада сүйлөй турган адамдар болсо, колдун үстүнө кое турган тамактар жөнүндө айтып бергиси келсе, you're welcome.
Kyrgyzstan or another?
About Kyrgyzstan. We're talking about the food, which the special food. No more special food.
Gent, do you have gent in Kyrgyzstan? Gent?
Gent?
What
No, gent.
Is it Kyrgyz word or English word?
It is Kyrgyz word.
Gent?
Gent.
Yeah, what is it?
Yeah. Can you explain or say the ingredients?
Ingredients maybe tarı, may, sugar. I don't know how the ingredients, but
maybe jentek.
Sweet, maybe sweet.
I don't know.
Jentek.
It's like oily, sweet, and healthy food. No, we don't have in Kyrgyzstan this food.
Sugar and oil. Sure.
Gent. I haven't heard about the food gent.
Sorry.
Maybe you are talking about talkan? No?
Maybe it is jentek.
It's color is yellow. You know tari? How do you say in English tari?
Tari?
Oh.
What is tari? Is it also the
Curry is meat.
Тару. Сары кичине. Каша жейсизби? Каша тарудан?
Это пшено или как?
Пшено, да, пшено.
Тару.
Пшенодон жасалабы же кукурузадан жасалабы?
Пшенодон жасайт, жемче.
So it is the mixture of millet, psheno, of butter and sugar, yeah?
Maybe add cookies. Maybe I don't know.
Менин билишим боюнча жанакы жентек берилет го балдарга. Ошондо мондой традиция бар да. Негизи бирок ал пшено бекен же мен оюмча ал жанакы майдаланган кукуруза болсо керек.
Жок, талкан жентек берилгенде талкан ал будайды курулуп ошону тегирменден өткөрүлүп анан май аралаштырып сүткө кошулуп.
Сары май кошот,
Сары май кошулуп машталып берилет талкан.
Ошол болсо керек, Гули?
Мен апам жасайт эле да ушу жанагыдан пшенодон, анан печенье кошот эле, сары май кошот эле, сахар кошот эле ушундай да. Анан
ошол экен анда. Ошондо
талканга окшош, мындай курутка окшош формасы болуп чыга келет. Или просто десерт жейт элек да. Анан ак кан болот эле, ак кан, if you know. It was 30 years ago.
Кошкон май айтат го?
Ак кан.
So we have to ask our mothers.
Maybe.
Jentek.
Yeah, all of you.
Name is кошкон май.
Анан?
Жентекте кошкон май деп айтышат да. Башка региондордо.
Кошкон май деп коет. So we've got the homework for today. Сабактан андай бизге Гулиден тапшырма бар экен. Баарыбыздар ата-энебизден, чоң апа, чоң аталарыбыздан деле сурасак болот экен, Гули бизге ингредиенттерди айтты. Ошол ингредиенттерди айтып, бул эмне деген тамак деп сурап келет экенбиз.
And it's like аталап
Look,
Yeah.
all of
No,
you've got different.
аталап is совсем другое. Аталап куйрук майды куйруйт, анан кийин ун салат, анан суу куят, ал жидкий да.
It's kind of soup, yeah?
Ошондой.
Yeah. And
Суп
sugar.
окшогон.
Сахар просто болот.
But
Wow.
Guli is talking about something like cookies.
It's maybe буламык.
Жок, булагымдык эмес. Жентек деген кадимкиде десерт кезинде жейт, десертке жейт элек сары, пшено деген сары да. Сары, печенье кошулган, май кошулган, канча кошулган, ушундай. Азыр Казакстанда да бар да, бирок Кыргызстанда барбы жокпу билбейм.
Of course,
So I haven't tried.
Yeah. This is.
Where are you from? Region.
Типа бутончик катары жасалчу.
Кол менен мындай мыкчылса, колдун 4 бармагы бар го, ошонун курут жасаганда.
Да.
Курут жасаганда 4 бармак кызат го, э?
Аны бизде айылда мыжыкма деп коет, мыжыкма.
Азыр барбы жокпу?
Мыжыкма.
Гули бир болсо таптык. Бул жакта балдар айылда мыжыкма деп коет аны дейт.
Ооба, бизде да мыжыкма дейт.
Okay, that is the most special dish, I guess, in our culture. Yeah, and finally we know the name of this dish. Thank you, guys. Азаматсыңар, тапшырмадагы кылым бүттү. Общий разговор сүйлөшүүбүз менен.
How are you going there?
Thank you for your time, all of you, and waiting for you next Wednesday. Кийинки шаршемби күнү адаттагыдай саат 7-де сиздер баарыңыздарды күтөм Токиң клабта. See you and thanks a lot for the lesson. Bye.
See you next Wednesday.
Bye.
Goodbye.